Okay, so one of the things you guys are going to be doing today is taking a look at this article that I've given you. There is a front and a back to it, and then there's some questions. Okay, so what I need you to do, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to annotate the article. Okay, now as you're annotating, you need to be, yes, you can highlight, you can underline, you can circle, but you need to have explanations as to why you're doing so. So for example, this is about thermal energy reading. So to understand thermal energy, you must first understand what makes up everything that has thermal energy. Everything on Earth contains matter. Matter consists of the atoms and molecules that make things up. An atom is constantly moving. Okay, so I've underlined these two things, and these are kind of definitions. Okay, so I'm kind of highlighting that to myself to say, okay, here's matter, here's atom, and here's absolute zero. Absolute zero. What if you've never heard of it? Well, as you keep on going, it's going to tell you some of this stuff. So you should be marking up the text. And remember, as you're marking up the text, you're marking it up to make connections about things that you already know, connections to other things in science. You're writing down questions that you may have as you go through this. So for example, looking at this picture here, maybe something you might have is, what are the arrows for? Okay, that is a question you would write down. Okay, hopefully it's something that you would find out later. Then you're going to be sure that you have all of these questions answered here and answer them correctly. Hopefully you will be able to find the answer back in the text, or you're going to be able to put together an answer for these questions based off of what you read and what you highlighted and annotated. Okay? If you have any questions, be sure to ask.